This bath and body travel gift set is designed to transform your daily routine into a delightful experience with its sweet cotton candy scent, making it ideal for self-care on the go. This set includes 3 essential travel-sized items: a shower gel, body lotion, and fragrance mist. It covers all your self-care needs, whether you're at home or on the road. Enjoy peace of mind with the TSA-friendly design. You can easily fit these products in your backpack or gym bag without worrying about checked luggage. The gentle, sulfate-free formula cleanses without stripping your skin of moisture. The lotion hydrates quickly without any greasiness, perfect for all skin types. The bath and body travel gift set comes beautifully packaged, making it a perfect gift for special occasions without needing additional wrapping. This cost-effective set combines all the essentials, preventing waste and ensuring you get great value for your money. It's perfect for travel and daily care. If you're impressed with this set, check the link in the description to grab your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great reviews.